Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be having a brow tutorial. I'm gonna be teaching you how to draw your brows in the most simplest way ever. So let's dive right into the video. To begin this process, we'll be needing a few products of which I'm going to be showing in this video. First would be an eyebrow pencil or an eyebrow gel, whichever you prefer. Next would be a spoolie, and then an angled brush for concealing. The next, a beauty blender, followed by a setting powder or compact powder, whichever you have, and then finally a concealer. So let's begin. So the first step is to brush up your brows. This is to keep your brows in place. Next, you go in with your beauty blender. You dab on your powder. This particular step is to fix your brows, to get rid of all the moisture on your brows and make your brows last longer. Next is to go in with your brow gel or your pencil. So I'll be using a pencil for this particular tutorial. So first you need to start from the arc of your brows, and you have to be light-handed. For the front part of your brows, you're going to be using your eye pencil to create false hair strands in front of the brow, just to give your brow this natural look. And then I'll be going in with my spoolie once again. This technique is used to remove excess products from the brow and to further brush the brow to give it that natural look that we are all looking for. The next step is to go in with your concealer or foundation if that's what you have, and then you place this concealer on the back of your hand for easy access. Then you use your brush to just collect the product using just the tip of your brush. Collect the product and then start concealing from the inner corner of the brows, gently and lightly. Use the excess from your brush to line the front part of your brows. So still using the excess on my brush. Just come up here. Try to get everything together. Just blend everything out. Dragging it downwards. And now further going with your beauty blender to just further blend it. Voila! Take a look. See the difference between both brows. So now let's get into the topper part of the brow. So for the top part of the brows, we're going to be using your own foundation now, a foundation that is your exact match. Gone are the days when we use a lot of concealer to define our brows. So now you're just going with a little. And trust me guys, a little goes a long way. And when concealing your brows, it's best to hold your brush at an angle in a flexible way, which is holding your brush at the close to the end of the brush, or close to the tail of the brush, and then work your way from the top to the bottom to the line of the brows. Don't just start from the line of the brows. You might end up ruining your whole brows altogether. Using the same blending technique we use while blending the lower part of our brows, we will be doing the same for the upper part of our brows, using the beauty blender to remove any harsh lines. You're good to go. So I did the other brow off camera and this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something or two from this episode. This is how the brows are looking up close, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next